Is high-performance compute, AVX2 optimization, crashing because of the algorithmsdll-x64 AVX2 Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer. Let's use these professional steps to fix the runtime error. Ensure your algorithmsdll-x64 AVX2 library environment is stable by using the recommended tool linked below. This is the algorithmsdll-x64 AVX2 library, a specialized 64-bit library used by high-performance data science and AI tools to offload complex mathematical algorithms to the CPU's AVX2 instruction set. If missing, the parent software will either crash or fall back to much slower processing modes, reporting a compute device mismatch. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. The presence of algorithmsdll-x64 AVX2 Library DLL is mandatory for high-performance compute, AVX2 optimization, to initialize the engine and a full reinstallation of your main application suite. With the error, we'll resolve the error by deploying a fresh copy of the library. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing algorithmsdll-x64 AVX2 library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Ensure your PC remains under warranty and functional by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like algorithmsdll-x64 AVX2 Library DLL. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. For long-term system reliability, the repair resource linked in the description includes information on managing algorithmsdll-x64 AVX2 library references. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for algorithmsdll-x64 AVX2 library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.